Hello again, everyone. This is Lynette with the Skin Candy. Thank you so much for joining me again today on another one of our soapy time adventures. So today is a busy soaping day, so I am getting ready to make a batch of my Tropical Bliss, or maybe I'm calling it Tropical Paradise. I don't know. I call it something different every time. So I'm going to make a batch of my Tropical Paradise soap. I am going to be adding, which I already have added, I've added coconut milk because it's tropical coconut, you know. So I've added my coconut milk powder and my kale and clay and colloidal oats to my mixture of my regular soap mixture of olive oil, coconut oil, palm kernel oil, cocoa butter, castor, and jojoba. And I'm going to be coloring it in two colors today with Voodoo and Taxi Cab, both by Mad Vicus. So I've already got my oils set off, pulled off of here. I'm going to go ahead and get those mixed. And then I'm going to add my additional water. So what I did with this, my solution, is I made a big master batch of my lye solution. And this still feels really warm. No wonder. Okay, yeah. 111, so hopefully it'll cool down in the next few minutes. But I made a master batch of a 50-50 lye solution. So what I need to do is I need to add the rest of my water to my oils so that I have a little bit more than 50%. I don't want this, I mean, if it solidifies, it's only two colors and that's okay. But I'm gonna actually go ahead and add aloe vera juice to it. So I'm gonna add that to that. But first I'm going to add my colors to my oil and get them mixed up because I want them to be able to kind of meld, I guess that's what you'd call it, into the colors, into the oil. And I don't know why, but this hot pink and yellow, just mango papaya, just I don't know why. It's probably way off on color, but I like it that way. So this is being made by special request. A girl that works for me is absolutely in love with this fragrance, so I told her I would make her some soap. And where did my mixer go? Oh, here it is. So I don't turn this on until I get this really good a mix, because otherwise I have powder flying everywhere. I want to make sure that I don't have any lumps in mine. So.
No, this one is broken.
Okay, just stick it over, right over there in that box. Okay, you can just sit there, then I'll take them apart. Going to set those off to the side, and we're going to mix up our milks, our milk powders. Oh, don't fall over. And we're going to get those mixed up before we add our aloe vera juice. That'll stay up. that's all ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and add our lye water, and then we're going to get this party started. So let's get soaping. Okay, so we're back to do the top, and I think what I'm going to do is, again, I'm using these soap dough charms. I got these, I'll leave a link down below. I got these little flowers, these little Hawaiian flowers, and I thought they'd be really cute on the swoopy top to add that. So we're going to try it. I don't know. So while I was off camera, I made some lines. They're kind of archaic, but you know, what am I going to do? But hopefully this is solid enough that it's going to take it. Looks pretty good so far. See, that's my problem. Problem is going back. I'm not very good at this. You'd think after 5 years of doing this I'd get better. This is why I do plain tops. Okay. Okay, so now that we've done that, where's my little skewer? A little bit more swoop. if I need to let it sit longer. I don't know. Those of you who are soap makers, experienced in soap making and making swoopy tops, am I doing this too soon? Okay, so now we're going to add these on. I hope we can add these on in the right spot.